Do you constantly ask people to repeat themselves, struggle with muffled sounds, or hear a persistent ringing or buzzing in your ears? You're not alone. And no, it's not just getting older. These are signs your ears may be calling out for real support. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I want to tell you about a natural hearing support solution that's making a real difference in people's lives. It's called Audifort. And if you're tired of missing out on conversations, struggling with background noise, or feeling frustrated by that constant ringing, you'll want to hear this. Audifort is a powerful, science-backed supplement specifically designed to support healthy hearing, reduce ear discomfort, and improve clarity. Whether your hearing issues are related to age, noise exposure, or everyday stress, Audifort helps nourish your ears from the inside out. So how does it work? Each capsule contains a unique blend of natural ingredients, including antioxidants, vitamins, and herbs, carefully selected to promote blood flow to the ears, reduce inflammation, and protect your auditory system from further damage. The result? Clearer sound, reduced ringing, and sharper focus. With consistent daily use, Audifort may help you support healthy auditory function, ease that annoying ringing or buzzing sensation, improve your overall hearing clarity, and even enhance brain function related to sound and memory. Taking Audifort is simple. Just 2 capsules a day, preferably with a meal, and you're done. No messy drops, no batteries, no appointments. Just natural support your ears will thank you for. And here's the best part. Audifort is made in a GMP-certified facility with high-quality, non-GMO ingredients. Thousands of people have already shared their success stories, reporting real improvements in their hearing and quality of life. If you're ready to experience the benefits for yourself, head to the official website. That's the only place to get the real Audifort. Right now, there are limited-time discounts, bundle savings, and a 100% money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk to give it a try. Don't wait until your hearing gets worse. Take control today with Audifort and rediscover what it feels like to truly hear the world around you.